Yo, what's going on YouTube? If you don't know who I am, my name is Matt and I'm the founder of Easy Algo, the best buy sell indicator on the market, works across all assets on all time frames. And today I'm going to be bringing you guys one of my favorite strategies, which is a scalping strategy on the 1 minute chart. And I love this strategy so much because it's so simple yet so profitable. It has a 90% plus accuracy back testing the strategy. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is click the first link in the description below to get Easy Algo. Easy Algo is the only buy sell indicator that you will need. So as soon as you get Easy Algo, you're going to come up here to indicators, come over to invite only scripts, and then click on Easy Algo right here. Now, as soon as Easy Algo is loaded in, you're going to immediately see the buy and sell signals. Now, what we're going to do is change the sensitivity to 2.2. And what the sensitivity does is pretty much dictate when the buy and sell signals occur. So we're going to turn the sensitivity up. We don't need support and resistance, and we don't need trend ribbon for this strategy. So we only need the buy sell signals. Then press OK. And as you can see, this chart looks absolutely beautiful just with the buy and sell signals themselves. So let's jump right into the scalping strategy with this. So what you're going to do with this strategy is whenever you see a buy signal, you will of course enter a long position. The stop loss will go right under the buy signal or the previous candle, and you're going to take profit at around 0.25%. So no matter where the price goes, you're always going to take profit at 2.5%. Now the goal of this strategy is to use very high leverage. 30, 50, or 100x leverage works great with this strategy, but you're going to want to use high leverage because you're taking profits at a very small percentage. Now, 0.25% might not be a lot, but if you're throwing in a couple $100 on 100x leverage, that can add up very quickly, especially if you're doing this strategy for long periods of time, like throughout the day, etc. So that's a winning trade right there. Let's try a short position now. So we enter the short position, stop loss goes right above the sell signal, right around here, and we take profit at 0.25%. So we don't care if the price keeps going down. We want to take our profit as soon as we see it. Bam, so that's another winning position right there. So this long position actually didn't hit, which is okay because we're going to keep going. No strategy is 100% profitable. We got a sell signal right here. Let's move our stop loss right around there. Bam, another winning trade right here. And these are probably some of the worst market conditions I have personally ever seen. I chose Bitcoin especially during this period of time because the markets are so choppy. And I want to show you guys a realistic expectation when you're using the strategy, what it will look like, and how many of the trades you will win, how many trades you will lose, all that good stuff, because it is important. I don't want you guys to get misled by some other YouTubers saying that there's a 100% strategy that's always going to work, because in choppy markets, it's not always going to work. And that is the hard truth, but you can still be very profitable at the end of the day if you follow this strategy to a T and you get Easy Algo. First link in the description. So let's see this trade right here. Stop loss goes under, another winning trade. So we're around 3 for 4 right now. And on the one that we lost, our stop loss was right below. So we only lost, I think, less than 0.1%. So we didn't really lose that much even on the losing trade. Let's see this trade right here. Another winning trade on this sell signal. I mean, this is all that the strategy entails. So another strategy you could use with this is as soon as you're in a little bit of profit, let's say 0.1%, you can take a small amount and move your stop loss to break even if you really don't want any losing trades, which is also a viable option. Or you can sell half at 0.1%, another quarter at 0.2%, and then the last remaining portion of the trade during the next sell signal, which is also a great idea. I mean, on this one alone, you would have made 0.36%. And this is within minutes, guys. So you could literally sit here on the charts and do this all day. And I'm not showing you a good period of the chart, okay? I could show you a time period where it is super smooth and the buy and sell signals are perfect. But I'm going to show you guys a choppy market so you know what to expect and see that it's still profitable. Even during the worst market conditions, when the market is going completely sideways, it is still profitable and possible to make this strategy work. So, I mean, you can see for yourself, some of these trades are absolutely enormous. If you were to keep holding a small portion of the trade, let's say you take 0.25% right there, bam, another winning trade, another winning trade, another winning trade. On this one, you might have lost a little bit. If we open a long position, we might have lost, let's say 0.06%. But at the end of the day, the wins will very much outshine the losses, especially if you have your stop losses in place and you stick to the strategy. That is the most important thing when it comes to trading, is you need to stick to the strategy. And I'm just going through the charts right now, back testing, and this strategy is still killing it even in the worst market conditions. Let's see this one right here. Another short position, take profit at 0.25%. Did we get it? We got it. Yep. Nice. Let's open this long position. Did we get it? We didn't get this one. We hit 0.1%. So if you want to take profits there and move stop loss to break even, or just move stop loss to break even, which is what I would recommend. As soon as you're in a little bit of profit, you never want to make a winning trade a losing trade. So as soon as you're in profit, move your stop loss to break even. So that would not be a losing trade. If anything, you'd probably break even or make a little bit depending on when you take profits. Got another long position right here. Take profit at 0.25. And then you can short it on the way down. I'm guessing it's another 0.25, so another winning trade. If you do this all day, these small percentages will compound and they will add up, and you can be making a lot of money, especially if you're using high leverage, which is what I would recommend. Make sure to use risk management when you're trading and only use a small percentage of your entire portfolio in each trade. I recommend risking maximum 3 to 5% of your portfolio per trade. So whatever the math is for you and however much money you have in your portfolio, figure that out and use this scalping strategy on the 1 minute time frame. It works wonders. Like I said, make sure your sensitivity is on 2.2. Now, the reason for this is because if the sensitivity is a lot lower, there will be more buy and sell signals, but also a lot more noise, right? We don't want all that noise. We want to see what the overall trend of the market is on the 1 minute time frame. And to do so, we're going to use a higher time frame, so less buy and sell signals, but they're going to be a lot more accurate. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more strategies. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more trading strategies involving Easy Algo and other free indicators. So if you're interested in Easy Algo, first link in the description below to download and get Easy Algo for yourself. It is the best buy sell indicator on the market. So you can go out there and use this 1 minute scalping strategy and make some amazing profits. That's it for me, guys. I'll catch you next video.